Khan Academy, Divide Fractions, and we're working on the subtopic Fractions as Division Word Problems. An aquarium holds 12 liters of water. How many aquariums can we fill with 48 liters of water? Include fractions of aquariums if applicable. So if an aquarium holds 12 liters of water and we have 48 liters of water, that means we can take 48 and divide that by 12 to figure out how many aquariums that would fill. So then we need to make this, because this is an improper fraction, we need to look. 12 fits into 48 4 times. So we're able to fill 4 aquariums. A kettle holds 4 liters of magic potion. There are 11 liters of potion. About how many kettles can we fill with magic potion? So we're looking and we're saying, okay, well, we're taking that 11 liters and we're dividing it into sections of 4 because each kettle holds 4. So if I simplify 11 liters divided by the 4 liters that each kettle holds, 4 fits into 11 2 times, and that would give me 8. And then 9, 10, 11, there would be 3 left over. So 2 3/4 kettles is what it's going to fill. So my answer is going to be between 2 and 3 because it's more than 2, but it's not quite to the 3 yet. And then which equation tells us tells us exactly, how many kettles we can fill? Well, 11 divided by 4. So now we just need to go down here and we see 11 divided by 4. Oop, but that doesn't match because that one's 4 divided by 11. So 11 divided by 4 and 11 divided by 4. Five people are evenly sharing 12 kilograms of apples. So how many kilograms of apples should each person get? So in this case, one of the important things to think about is what's being split up. Well, in this case, 12 apples are being divided by 5 people, okay, divided into 5 groups. So that's probably one of our biggest things, is that I think most of us are going to know that we have to do division here, but it's which number is going to go on top. So 12 apples, the number that you're dividing, the things that are getting split up. So here we're splitting up apples, so that 12 is going to go on top. So 12 divided by 5, which is letter A. You have 4 chocolate bars to share evenly among you and your 2 sisters. So again, what's being split up? The 4 chocolate bars, and we're dividing it by you and your 2 sisters. So we're dividing it by 3. So 4 divided by 3. Okay, again, notice whatever's being split up is our top number here.